From vowing to eradicate red terror within India to entering and bombarding the enemy territory of Pakistan with Operation Sindoor, Prime Minister Modi is bringing about a huge policy shift on national security, including at a geopolitical level. Under Modi, India is setting the terms, telling the world that nation is above all else for 140 crore Indians. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has laid out a clear and resolute doctrine for dealing with terrorism. The recent Operation Sindoor against Pakistan-sponsored terrorists is a symbol of a zero-tolerance and no-compromise policy to safeguard national security. The central government's every move, from suspending the Indus Water Treaty to launching military strikes on terror camps, was carefully planned and timed. The three core pillars of the Prime Minister's doctrine include decisive retaliation on India's terms, zero tolerance for nuclear blackmail, and no distinction between terrorists and their sponsors. Responding sharply to cross-border links to the Pahalgam attack, India launched Operation Sindoor and attacked multiple terror sites in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, including Lashkar-e-Toiba's headquarters in Muridke. Safeguarding national interests, Prime Minister Modi sent a firm and unambiguous message that terror and trade cannot go hand in hand. The Atari-Wagah border was closed, bilateral trade suspended, visas cancelled, and the Indus Water Treaty put on hold.
दुश्मनों को उनकी कल्पना से परे सजा दी है। और इस अपील को पहलगाम में सीमा पार से आतंकियों ने आकर के जिस प्रकार का कत्ले आम किया, धर्म पूछ करके लोगों को मारा गया, पत्नी के सामने पति को गोलियां दी, बच्चों के सामने अपने पिता को मौत के घाट उतार दिया गया। पूरा हिंदुस्तान आक्रोश से भरा हुआ था। पूरा विश्व भी इस प्रकार से संहार से चौंक गया था। मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों, ऑपरेशन सिंदूर उसी आक्रोश की अभिव्यक्ति है।
Modi's Bharat does not remain silent. It retaliates back each time its security is challenged. On the 28th of September 2016, the Indian Army launched surgical strikes against terrorist camps in POK in response to an attack by terrorists on an army base in Uri. Responding to the strikes, Prime Minister Modi has said,
ये नया भारत है, ये घर में घुसकर मारता है। एक वो दिन था और एक आज का दिन है। आतंक के आकाओं को पता है, अगर कुछ भी हिमाकत की तो मोदी पाताल में भी उन्हें खोज निकालेगा।